Did you know the greatest comeback in Formula One history happened when everyone thought it was impossible? In 1983 at Long Beach, John Watson started dead last in 22nd place. His McLaren had terrible setup problems during practice. The car was so slow in qualifying that most people forgot he was even racing. But Watson had a secret plan. While other drivers pushed their tires too hard early on, he saved his rubber for later. Lap after lap, he picked off cars with perfect timing and incredible skill. On the tight street circuit where passing was nearly impossible, Watson made it look easy. With 10 laps left, he pulled off a legendary move on Niki Lauda for second place. Then race leader Keke Rosberg's engine blew up. Suddenly, Watson found himself in first place. He won by 27 seconds. When Watson realized what happened, his emotional radio message brought tears to everyone's eyes. 40 years later, his record still stands. No driver has ever won from further back. The math says it should never happen again.